Each air cleaner in this robustly designed group of newer radial seal technology units shares a number of important improvements over preceding models. The FPG and FPG Alexin, FRG and FRG2, SPB2 and SRB air cleaners offer improved reliability and durability. Each of these units also offers reduced weight and better serviceability. Each is a two-stage air cleaner suitable for medium to heavy dust applications. The SPB2 and SRB are suitable for severe dust conditions. Here are the service steps. Step 1. Check the filter service indicator. Filter service indicators mounted on the air cleaner system are recommended for monitoring the air cleaner restriction level and indicating when servicing is due during normal operation. Replace the filter only when the restriction level has reached the maximum recommended by the engine or equipment manufacturer. If the restriction level is in question, or to test the initial restriction, remove the filter service indicator and measure the system restriction using a clock-type restriction gauge or a water manometer. For more on Donaldson restriction indicators and measuring tools, see Module A18. Step 2. Remove the primary filter and check the evacuator valve. Shut off the engine, unfasten or unlatch the service cover. For the FPG Alexin models, the cover is unlocked with a yellow finger, twisted to the left, and removed from the filter housing. Because of its radial seal, the filter fits tightly over the outlet tube, and there will be some initial resistance, similar to breaking the seal on a jar. Gently move the end of the filter back and forth to break the seal, then rotate while pulling straight out. Avoid knocking the filter against the housing. If your air cleaner is equipped with evacuator valve, visually check and physically squeeze it. Make sure the valve is flexible and not inverted, damaged, or plugged. If it looks like any of these pictures, it needs replacing. Step 3. Visually check the safety filter and clean sealing surfaces of the outlet tube. If your air cleaner has a safety filter, visually check the safety filter in place for signs of damage. Do not remove the safety filter unless it is damaged or due for replacement. Also verify that the safety filter is properly seated in the housing. The safety filter should be replaced every 3 primary filter changes. Use a clean damp cloth to wipe the primary filter sealing surface on the outer diameter of the outlet tube. If also replacing the safety filter, wipe the inner sealing surface of the outlet pipe. Ensure that the outlet tube sealing area is undamaged. Contaminant on the sealing surface could hinder an effective seal and cause leakage. Engine manufacturers say that it takes only a few grams of dirt to seriously damage an engine. If the safety filter is to be replaced, avoid leaving the outlet tube exposed to the air. If there is to be a delay in installing the new safety filter, cover the air cleaner outlet tube to avoid admitting any dust. Step 4. Inspect the old filter. Inspect the old filter for any signs of leaks. A streak of dust on the clean side of the filter is a telltale sign. Eliminate any source of air leaks before installing the new primary filter. Step 5. Inspect the new filter for any damage that may have occurred through mishandling. Never install a damaged filter. Visually check the inside of the open end, which is the sealing area. Do not wipe the filter radial seal area, as the new Donaldson radial seal filter may have a dry lubricant on the seal to aid installation. Step 6. Insert the new radial seal filter properly. First, if you're servicing the safety filter at this changeout, seat it properly into position before installing the primary filter. Insert new filters carefully. Seat the primary filter by hand, making certain it is inserted completely into the air cleaner housing. To complete a tight seal, Apply pressure by hand at the outer rim of the filter, not the flexible center. No cover pressure is required to hold the seal in place, and one should never use the service cover to apply pressure. This could damage the housing and fasteners and void the warranty. Once the filter is in place, secure the service cover. For the FPG Alexin models, the cover is twisted to the right until it stops. Then push the yellow finger in to lock. Step 7. Check connectors for tight fit. Make sure service indicators are reset and in proper working order. Check that all the mounting bands, clamps, bolts, and connections in the entire air cleaner system are tight. Check for holes in piping and repair or replace as needed. Any leaks in the intake piping will admit dust directly to the engine. To conclude our training module, let's summarize the service steps presented. Check the filter service indicator. Remove the service cover if applicable, and then remove the used primary filter. Check the vacuator valve. Visually inspect the safety filter. If not servicing the safety filter, do not remove to inspect. If servicing the safety filter, remove and inspect. Clean the gasket sealing surface. Inspect the used primary filter. Inspect the new filters. Install the safety filter if applicable, and then install the primary filter. Check the entire air system for worn or loose components. This servicing information is provided as a best practices guide. It is not, however, intended to replace or supersede the service instructions supplied by your engine or vehicle manufacturer.